Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look was inspired by a young lady by the name of ITSHOTCHIICK on Instagram. I saw some client makeup she did and I was like, that is summer, that is tropical, and that is what I'm going to base my next colorful look off of. So today's look is an inspired look. Yeah. Make sure you guys go watch my last video, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on social media, send me stuff to my P.O. box, hit the bell to be notified every time I post a video, comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. And without further ado, I'm not going to do a lot of talking today. If you want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. Okay, let's jump right into the tutorial. I'm gonna prime my lips with my E.L.F. Then I'm gonna take my A.O.A. Sugar Oh Honey lip oil. Use my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas full coverage eyeshadow base, and this is in Halo #1. And I'm just gonna do, I don't know if I want to use this big mirror today. That's the mirror I normally use when I'm getting ready, you guys, but I think, hold on, because I don't want to make a mess. I think for the purpose of the video, I'm going to use the mirror I always use. She's a little dirty. I'll take the wand and put a little bit on each eye. And I already did my brows and no, I already did my brows off camera. I have plenty of brows tutorials up if you guys want to see it. I'm going to take this A.O.A. Studio High Def E107 brush. It's a brush like this, angled and fluffy, and I'm gonna blend out. I'm gonna take this E.L.F. blending brush, it's just a fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this green all the way here at the top. And this look is inspired by ITSHOTCHIICK. She's on my Instagram, and I saw this look and I was like, let me see what I could do with these colors, because it looked very tropical and I wanted to try it. So I'm picking that up, and you only want to put that on the inner 1/3 of the eye, so this inner portion right here. Okay, so I'm actually going to take this green down here, this green right here, pick that up instead, see what we do with that one. Yeah. This Morphe M4 2-1 brush. It looks like this. She's a little dirty, but that's all right. And I'm gonna take my, I think I want to get used to recording at my vanity because the ease of everything. All my stuff is up here. I don't have to stop and go and fetch stuff. It's already there. So I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette, and I'm going to pick up this gorgeous turquoisey color right here. I'm gonna pick that up and put that on the, like, the middle portion of the eye. Okay, so what I ended up doing was taking this color and putting this color on top. So I hope you guys can see that. Yeah. Okay. This color and putting this color on top. Essence blender brush, eye blender brush, and I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to take this orange color, pick that up, dark blue, and put this on the outer corner. I don't know if it was a shimmer or a matte. I really couldn't tell from the video, but I'm gonna go for the Guspa and assume that it was a matte. And I'm gonna take this blue over here from the Take Me Back to Brazil, the plain one palette, and put that right in between. I'm on the act right. Pick up this blue from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette, and hopefully this one picks up better. Yeah, down here at the bottom is the one. You're doing looks and you look in the mirror and you're like, what's going on? You don't look nothing like you're supposed to. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner and lashes off camera, and I'll come right back. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and clean up any fallout I might have had. I went ahead and applied my lashes, my liner, my mascara off camera. The lashes are some lashes I got from AliExpress. This is the mascara. This is the Essence Get Big Lashes mascara. The liner is this Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. And the lash glue is this I Envy by Kids Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive in clear. We're gonna move on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna close this for now because I don't need this right now. I saw something on Instagram and I want to give it a try. Hopefully it works, fingers crossed. I don't know if I want to do this today. This may be another video because I'm scared that I'm gonna try it and it don't work, and then I'm gonna be very upset. So let's not go chasing waterfalls and stick to the rivers and the lakes that we're used to. I'm gonna take, I was like, I can't find it. I'm gonna take this Pond's dry skin cream, use that to moisturize first. This is a goat. Like, she is what I use, I think, every single time I do my makeup. Okay. Then I'm gonna take, I don't know what kind of look I'm going for today. I feel like whatever I reach first, that's what's gonna determine what direction we take with this look today. And then I'm gonna take my NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. And I can't get over how this is like literally like jelly. It don't move. I'm gonna just, ooh, put that all over my face. Now with that, you don't need a lot, but only because you already put the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. Then I'm gonna take this Covergirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer, Pore Minimizing Primer. Like that. Definitely feels moisturized. I'm going to take a foundation that I haven't used in a little minute. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 338 Spicy Brown. And I'm going to take that and put dollops all over my face. Going for full coverage without overdoing it. That's the plan. So that should be enough. If I need more, I'll add it, but I don't think I'll need more. Then I'm gonna take I don't know what brush I want to take. I used that last time. That's dirty. Okay, well, I guess we're not using a flat top brush today because I don't have that many options. So I'm gonna take a beauty sponge. This is my Paw sponge from my Shop Mistake haul. Blend this out. Then I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. No, I'm just playing. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna take, if I can find it. What I did? My Tarte Shape Tape Tan Sand. Do a little highlighting. Like so. Like that. Blend that out. I'll take my Crayon Case chalk dust and the letter N. Hopefully that showed up right because I think it was crooked. Use that to set my highlights, my concealer. Grandma called. Sorry, I'm back. I'm gonna take this Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. This is in the color C15. It looks like this. And I'm gonna use this to contour. Oh. I'm going to take this sculpting face brush from E.L.F. It's the one that looks like the shark's tooth to me. I'm gonna take this and blend out the contour on my nose. These brushes are enough for me, and I can see why they were on sale at the beauty supply store. Then I'm gonna take my M.A.C Mineralize Skin Finish in medium dark, and that's not what it's called. My M.A.C Mineralize Foundation in medium dark, if I didn't say it right just now. And I'm gonna take a Bare Essentials Full Flawless Face Brush. I always say that like blah, 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 blah. Swirl it around, tap off the excess. Then I'm gonna take my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette, and I'm gonna take this color, which is tan, and this color, which is hollow, and use that to set my contours. I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo Eye Crayon in Milk. I'm gonna take, go back into the BH Cosmetics Pro Palette. No, BH Cosmetics. Take me back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna take this Morphe M48 brush, which is basically like a smudge brush, and I'm gonna pick up this blue at the top right next to the purple, and I'm gonna put that. I think we're done with the palettes. I'm gonna take some more mascara and put it on my bottom lash line. It's the same mascara I use to prep my top lashes. Then I'm gonna take my E.L.F. blush palette, and this is in dark. And I'm gonna take, this is just a brush I got from a set out of Forever 21. I'm gonna take this peachy coral shade, dab with that pink. Put that on the apples of my cheeks. This E.L.F. highlighting brush, and I'm gonna take this M.A.C Mineralize Skin Finish in Global Glow. And this is an E.L.F. highlighting brush. It's just a tapered brush. This is going to be our highlighter for today. Then we could stop there, but I'm a little extra. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome and Molten Gold and put that right on top of the last highlighter. We're done with the face. Onto the lips. I'm gonna take, I'm gonna do something kind of neutral. I'm gonna take this soft brown lip liner from NYX. I'm gonna take this Ruby Kisses Jelly Lippies Mermaid lip gloss. It's lip gloss, but it's in the color Mermaid. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna change clothes. Change my top, see how my hair doing, and put some earrings in, and I'll be right back.